And finally, our Entrepreneur of the Week goes to John Collard, President of Strategic Management Partners, a nationally recognized turnaround management and private equity capital advisory firm. Recently, SMP was recognized as the 2010 Business of the Year by the Prince George's Chamber of Commerce.
This is a true honor. I mean, whenever you are singled out from all other companies in a particular year for what you've done, it means the world. It means a great deal of accomplishment. Strategic Management Partners was founded in 1988, so we're about 21, 22 years old. And your first assignment normally becomes one that is in trouble that you're turning around. Mine happened to be a public company. It was NASDAQ traded. I went in as the CEO and president of that company, and we were successful. We're going to continue to turn around companies, help save jobs, help recover investment and assets for those who are under peril. We're going to also help the private equity community, not only in their investing in perhaps distress, but recovering, bad investments. We purposely do not grow. My company purposely does not grow. My clients will grow because I want them to recover, and I want them to grow. I don't want a lot of turnaround people in my firm. I want to stay purposely small.